Guys, welcome back. I wanted to give you a flavorful video about our gaming coins that I just mentioned the other day. Give you some updates because they are starting to take off. This might be your last chance to start thinking about putting them on your radar to do your own research, or else it's going to be too late. If you want to be a gaming crypto millionaire, you're in the right place. So let's dive directly into this. Smash that like button to help out more people like yourself so we can all get rich together. We're in my portfolio today, 23,000. We broke 23,000 today. We have 5 gaming cryptos that I mentioned to you guys the other day. 3 of them have exploded massively. As you can see, 45%, 17%, 40%. We are tipping off hard. MetaStrike is up 33% today. They're all starting to take off. Chain of Legends is taking off heavy. Shout out. Hit me up in the comments if you guys are holding Chain of Legends. 555k market cap, according to CoinMarketCap. I don't believe them. I don't know why everything is messed up in there. But what I wanted to tell you guys is, I wouldn't buy MetaStrike at this price, not after a 33% daily pump. You can hope that one comes back down first. Chain of Legends has not came back down at all. It is at the top of its chart right now. It's actually breaking new highs, new 52-week highs right now. What I did do today, I bought, because this one did not take off recently, Lit Lab Games. I just added a ton of money. I added $700 to Lit Lab Games. And how did I add it? I just trimmed a little bit of money off the profits I've been getting from buying these dips on the rest of the coins. Aventus took off. I sold that. Sold a little bit of that for a dip. I trimmed these down to $1,000 so I could bring this one up close to $1,000. Took a little bit out of Paid Network, because Paid Network, according to Dex Tools, is a 50 million market cap. Lit Lab Games is only 9 million. I just made you guys a video today about Lit Lab Games. I really do think that might be a good buy point. It is up 10x this year, but I think that this one can go to about $1 billion market cap or more, and it's only at a 9 million market cap, so you have a 100x opportunity. We're down 16% on the week. Seascape Crowns here, we're down 24% on the week. This thing had hit almost $1.20 not that long ago. About 2 weeks ago, this thing had hit $1.20. Is this working yet? No, it's not working. It's okay. We're working with it right now. 24% discount, 16% discount. This is about half the price. This is actually down almost half the price from its recent highs as well. So if you guys missed out on the MetaStrike run, if you guys missed out on the Chain of Legends, which, by the way, it's not late for a long-term hold, but if you're talking like you want to be in the money soon, I don't want you guys buying the top of a pump and then it comes down and then you're holding a bag. That's why I'm saying maybe wait on these two, because these two have pumped a lot. Even Aventus has pumped 40% this week, but Aventus has pulled back about 50% from its recent high as well. Like I said, though, Seascape Crowns and Lit Lab Games are good buys right now. This is only up maybe a 3x from its bear market low. This one's up like a 10x from the bear market low, so keep that in mind. Your better bet is probably this is 3 million, but your safer bet is Lit Lab Games. Just wanted to give you guys updates on these tokens. Also, I bought Internet Computer recently. I picked my position back up in Internet Computer, or up about 4% on that one. I bought it at like $10.50 or something like that. So this is what I've got in the bag, guys. If you guys are looking for a portfolio to rock with, you guys can copy this right here, right now. I'm sharing it right here. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so do your own research on everything that's on my screen right now. A lot of these I'm holding for airdrops. Celestia for airdrops. Injective, Cosmos, airdrops. Kujira, Osmosis, all staked for airdrops. This is staked for a launch pad, staked for a medium tier allocation with their launch pad. You know what I mean? So this is what I've got for you guys right here. Definitely take a peek at this. Shout out to you if you got into that recent MetaStrike pump. MetaStrike did really, really well for us. Like I said, 32% we pumped today. I took some money off. Remember, I bought 35K tokens at 15, right? Just sold it at 22. Sold 25K of those 35K. I still have it up on my screen the other day. Bought 35K MetaStrike for 15, 16, and now we already cashed most of it back out. That's how we roll here. We buy dips and then we sell into the profits. Comes back down to retest, buy it back, pumps again, wait for it to break new highs, sell a little bit again. Retest, boom, you know, like back and forth. Once you guys get a good system, you guys will start getting good at this. Once you build a portfolio of 5 or 10, at least 5 or 10 tokens and have a decent amount, you guys can be doing that, basically scalping, arbitrage, trying to accumulate tokens. So that's what we're doing here, guys. This is what I got for you. If you got value, smash that like button. Shout out to you, and subscribe to the channel because I got plenty of videos coming for you guys real soon, real soon.